A college experience at the center of a growing downtown puts you close to the state's capital, media outlets, and a healthcare epicenter. At the heart of a vibrant art and food scene, with sports events and concerts only a short walk away. Welcome to ASU's College of Integrative Sciences and Arts on the downtown campus. A place for interdisciplinary discovery and applied communication in the heart of Phoenix. Here, your education to be career-ready goes beyond the classroom. With dynamic research, hands-on learning experiences, local internships, and real-world projects creating real-world solutions. On this campus, CISA students think, do, learn in an intimate urban college community while being connected to a large world-class university. Unlock your potential and feel at home at CISA's downtown campus.